My daughter, today we are going to read Makharij number 8. Yes?
Yes.
And this Makharij is really important and compulsory than all Makharij. The 8th Makharij is that of, say, Zod.
So
One or both the ends of the tongue along with the upper back, the roots of the 5 back teeth are used to pronounce Lord.
I used to pronounce
Yeah. The letter Lord is one of the most difficult letters to pronounce. Okay? To some experts, the closest comparison the Lord has with any letter is with the Law. Yeah? And that too only as far as the sifat, it means qualities, are concerned. Both the letters are common in all qualities. Hence, the law is pronounced from the front and the Lord from the back of the mouth. It's really important, Makharij, my daughter.
Is it pronounced different?
Yeah.
Also pronounced that.
Is understand the difference. Yeah? Lord is pronounced by from the back of the mouth, and law is pronounced from the front and from the back of the mouth. Yeah? Law, understand difference. This is really important. Hence, the law is pronounced from the front. Yeah? And Lord pronounced from the back of the mouth. One or both the ends of the tongue along with the upper back, the roots of the 5 back teeth are used to pronounce Lord. The letter Lord is one of the most difficult letters to pronounce. To some experts, the closest comparison the Lord has with any letter is with the law, and that too only as far as the sifat, qualities, it means, are concerned. Both the letters are common in all qualities. Hence, the law is pronounced from the front and Lord from the back of the mouth. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Good girl. Reverse now.